Welcome back to the show, everyone. This is FX Videos, and you're tuned into Crypto Corner, your go-to source for all things crypto. It's been a wild week in the digital asset space, and we've got a lot to break down, from market moves to regulatory shifts and, of course, what to watch for next week. If you're serious about crypto, stick around because we're diving deep. But before we get started, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of our updates. Also, hit that like button if you're listening on YouTube, and share this episode with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Alright, let's get to it. Bitcoin's price action, where are we headed? Bitcoin has had an interesting week, starting around $XXX, and making a move toward $XXX. The big question is, are we heading for another bull run, or is this just a short-term fake-out? We saw a strong resistance level around $XXX, and a lot of traders were watching that closely. Institutional demand is still a huge factor here. We saw some big moves from institution name, increasing their Bitcoin holdings, which could indicate confidence in long-term growth. But on the flip side, miners have been selling off more BTC than usual, possibly due to increasing costs. Ethereum and the Layer-2 explosion. Ethereum had its own moment this week, climbing from $XXX to $XXX. The big talk isn't just about price but about the massive growth in Layer-2 scaling solutions. Optimism, Arbitrum, and Base are all seeing record-high transactions. Gas fees? Still a concern, but new proposals could help ease that. Meanwhile, Ethereum ETFs are still on the table, and the SEC is dragging its feet on approvals. If we get a green light, expect a major liquidity boost. Altcoin watch, which coins are moving? Beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, a few altcoins stood out this week. Solana, SOL, continues its strong rebound, jumping X% after more projects migrated from Ethereum. Chainlink, Link, saw major adoption news, with integrations across DeFi platforms. XRP had a rough week as the legal battle with the SEC took another turn. If you're trading altcoins, watch for volume spikes. Those can often signal where the momentum is shifting. Now, let's talk about what's coming up next week and how you can prepare. Bitcoin's key levels to watch. Looking at the charts, Bitcoin is at a crucial support level around $XXX. If we hold above this, we could see another push toward $XXX, possibly testing new highs. But if sellers take control, we might dip down to $XXX. One thing to keep in mind: the macro economy. If we get any unexpected inflation data or interest rate talk from the Fed, it could impact risk assets like crypto. Ethereum's roadmap, what's next? Ethereum's developers are gearing up for the next upgrade. The focus? Lowering gas fees and improving efficiency for Layer 2s. If this upgrade launches smoothly, we could see another surge in ETH demand. Keep an eye on staking numbers, too. The more ETH that gets locked up, the less circulating supply is available, meaning potential price movements ahead. Altcoins on the move. A few altcoins that could see action next week. Avalanche, AVAX, has a major network upgrade coming. If adoption spikes, expect some price action. Polygon, Matic, is rolling out new partnerships. Institutional money could flow in if we get positive news. Dogecoin, Doge, yep, still moving based on social media hype. If Elon tweets, expect volatility. So, how should traders and investors approach the market next week? Here's what I'd suggest: stay vigilant on Bitcoin dominance. If BTC dominance rises, altcoins might struggle. But if it drops, you might see some strong alt rallies. Watch the news cycle, regulatory headlines can move the market. Keep an eye on the SEC, central banks, and any big institutional moves. Be ready for volatility, the crypto market never sleeps. Use stop losses and manage your risk accordingly. That's a wrap for this week's crypto breakdown. Next week is shaping up to be just as eventful, so make sure you stay ahead of the game. If you got value from this episode, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let me know which coin you're watching closely. And remember, this market rewards those who stay informed and think long-term. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.